I have some nerve.
You have some nerve.
Did you turn on this one?
Yes. It was just turned. No, just a while ago. You did hear. Pop.
Oh. Cause that just can't go far.
No, you're mad? Girl.
Imagine.
Tracy came here with the tea, the coffee, the chamomile, the everything. Guys, first of all, I want to apologize for being late. I've prided myself my whole entire life being on time, but it's so difficult when you have a sister and a husband who just don't own a clock. Anyway, hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside the closet and bring you in here for a full hour of fun, frolic, and
foolishness. That started 5 minutes late.
1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 2 hours. Late is late. Late
Just
is late.
want to big up to Kloset Klutch for these clothes that they have once again.
Hold on.
So lovingly.
I just want to let Auntie Michelle know that I have on my clogs.
Oh man, I would be happy to see those.
I don't know. You make me feel so awkward to wear them, so I don't even bother wear them now. But I think they're cool.
I don't even need to wear clothes. I can just garn myself in my long hair.
Man, God, make it start shed.
Why? Why are you so jealous? Why are you so jealous? You could have been like, yeah, babe, that's true. Look at your hair so long and beautiful.
Yeah, alright.
So I'm not allowed to big up myself for nice things that I have?
It's alright. I get.
I give you compliments all the time.
Yeah, I get sheddings.
I say to
Yeah, I get sheddings.
I give you compliments all the time.
Yeah, I get sheddings.
Like I say to you, nice microbladed eyebrows, great boob job.
Thank you.
You know?
Yeah. I mean, I've had to microwave my eyebrows so many times, and I've had to redo my boobs so many times, so hopefully I'll get it bloody right. Jesus. Alright, I feel like we're really close on the YouTube. Guys, remember you can check out the show in high definition over on our YouTube channel, where we'll drop in pictures and information that is needed in the description.
Let's get to business.
She bad mind. True. Somebody said last week. Was it last week? They said something about me bad mind in Tricky, and I said, no, how did your hair get so long? And I said, every time I bad mind her, it grows an inch. That's a good caption for you. So my hair is long thanks to my sister who bad mind me. Right? Every time she bad mind me.
Could you zoom out on the YouTube? Why is
we
it
have
so
to go
close?
back.
Oh.
But then we can't read, you see? Oh, ladies, I love a thing, you know, because now we can't read the comments. Oh, but this looks so much better. Jesus of his mercy with fur.
Yeah, but I mean, what? Ah! It's mine. Let's get down to business. Lady B business. Mixology at its best.
Yes, it's bad man. Keep growing. See, I'm helping her.
Lady B has given me a juice made with mango, white rum, pimento, lime juice, and natural sweetener. This one is called Momento.
Oh, mine is white peach, grapefruit, rosé, and tequila. This is called Tropical Desire.
Damn, that sounds like something.
Oh.
Lady B, can you make one called Bedroom Bully?
I wonder what that would taste like.
Me too.
Oh, this is lovely. You know I have a thing for grapefruit?
There's no sugar added in yours, Tracy. Thank you. I asked her for no sugar.
Oh, very nice.
Jeez,
this is lovely.
This tastes like party time.
Oh, wow. That is trouble.
Let me taste yours.
Oh, that's lovely. Oh, wow. The pimento in this is perfect.
These two?
Yeah, these two. Shot. Drew, you never called me this morning for the weekly rundown.
Weekly? You mean daily? You mean daily?
Yes. So Drew says we're his favorite humans, but he just means me. So nobody likes these and nobody's talking about them? No? It's a no?
It's a yes. I bought them for Stevie bought those for you for your birthday.
But you made me feel so self-conscious about wearing them.
No, who did? Only Marlo.
What did Mama say?
She hates all Crocs, but maybe she'll see those on your sexy foot and change her mind.
And my outfit. Okay,
That's why you need to wear them so that certain people can change their mind about the Crocs.
I don't know. I've never really worn Crocs before.
I love it. These. They're cute. It's a yes.
I I think so. Look out for it to wear them. You know how long I've had them? From November. Lady B says, I'm sorry, Jodi, I don't like them. Drew says, yuck. Tiffany says, yes. Alright, so I'll say, I think it depends on the outfit.
I think with that outfit you look really cute.
Thank you. Where's my outfit from again?
Kloset Klutch.
And this is a little, when I put this on, I made a mistake. It's actually a little romper. It's kind of cute.
Cute.
Like, I love a little knockabout, you know?
Yeah.
I love a knockabout.
I love a knockabout too.
Oh man.
Do you want to show everybody your glasses? Have you showed them your glasses before?
Reading glasses?
Yeah.
No?
No, that's a private look.
I know what you're going to do.
What?
I know what you're going to do.
What? I'm just asking.
No man, I know what you're going to do.
You look cute.
No man, I know what you're going to do. It's alright, go ahead. It's alright.
You're cute. I was going to compliment you.
Oh.
No? No, you don't just love me.
Shay says she likes them. She says the circular part suits my face since my face is so
Narrow?
like angled. Yeah, and then she likes the round frame.
I chose them for you.
Thank you.
Of course they look good.
Oh, let me leave them on. Looking so intellectual. Okay, I'm gonna leave them on. Oh, there's Gabby. It's giving teacher from the movie Matilda. Oh, speaking of Matilda, Matilda, there's a play called Matilda happening right now this weekend and next weekend over at Hillel. And we're going on Saturday.
We are.
We're going on Saturday. We know some of the kids in the play and we're gonna go and show our support. Tracy and I used to be in the whole, what do you call it? Theatrics.
Yeah.
So we love seeing the young kids now. And Levi
I just think
has
it's
assembly
so
on Friday.
nice because, like, I feel like acting has become such a big part of our lives for everybody because we watch so much Netflix, so much movie dramas, and I think it's very nice that the children can also experience acting from such a young age to know what being in a movie is all about. That, you know,
but I find that they're always acting now because they're just like, oh, I have a YouTube channel, click my link and subscribe. Like, they're always doing weird stuff like that now.
Jodi, we wore stockings on our head.
I think we were, Tracy, I don't think
That's
we were
very
normal
shit.
children.
But then how do you expect these children to be normal? Who out there, raise of hands, is a normal person? Raise your hand. Put the little hand up. If you are a normal person, raise your hand.
Raise their hand.
Exactly.
Normal people don't raise their hand.
Well,
They stop their foot. How can I never get my glasses clean? Oh great, this is worse. Now it looks like there's a whole snowstorm. And there's a little black ant on my screen. So I keep thinking that, oh great, it's not coming off. Alright, there we go. Alright, hold on, let's see. Oh, we're busy today, man.
I washed my hair this morning and this is how it came out. This is the Botox that I have.
Okay, Trey.
This is the selling point.
I was about to raise my hand. Do not raise your hand. You're not normal.
Who was raising their hand?
You're over here watching that.
Who is that?
Not normal.
I know.
This is Keisha Faye.
Keisha lie.
Not normal. Not normal at all.
I actually, Keisha came to a realization as soon as she type it. Oh, it's a boy.
We actually have nothing to talk about today. Not a thing.
Not a thing. Not
a thing. We're heading to Mexico next weekend.
Ole. I'm so excited.
Ole?
Isn't that Mexico?
Yeah, but Ole.
I'm excited for Mexico.
Okay.
I'm not allowed to be excited.
Sure, you can be excited.
So then
You need to start packing. Thank you. My outfit today is from Kloset Klutch. We will link them in the description. They're always constantly getting in new stock.
So what about me?
And actually, these little knockabouts are really cool for us to take to Mexico. What's that white one up there? Ole!
Mexico!
So yes, I've started my packing for Mexico. And I think my selections are a little too slutty.
My selections are 100% slutty. They're so slutty that I had to order some more stuff, which were even sluttier. It's like I'm just in slutfest mode.
I can't get my glasses
I guess
clean.
because of Carnival. Like, you know, Carnival you have to like dress naked. And then now it's like, okay, another event. And then I order some naked stuff. And I'm like, this is not going to be okay for the streets of Mexico.
Make sure you have good health insurance and be vigilant. They are targeting foreigners. Well, I'm going over there. I'm going to keep my card in my bust. And I'm going to keep the card that's constantly declining. The one that you have to shake and blow.
So my card.
I'll keep that. And then I'm not going to carry like my whole bag of what's going on in Mexico. So our girlfriend is turning 40.
My best friend in the whole entire world.
She's my friend too.
She's my best friend. She's Jodi's au pair.
Both eat in a day because you both look amazing. Oh God, you don't even want what I just eat.
Trust me, like, it's so funny because people ask me all the time.
I don't think it'd be a good example.
No, people ask me all the time how I stay so slim, but I'm not going to lie to you. Like, some days are better than others. Some days I eat everything, and some days I eat nothing. Like yesterday, I think I had dinner alone, which constituted of turkey neck, lentils, and white rice, and it was so delicious. Oh, I loved it. I had seconds. It was so good. But it was just that my day was so crazy yesterday. So from I woke up in the morning, I was late for school with Stevie. I dropped her off, and then I had a morning appointment, which I was, rushing to. And then the day just became a rush. My appointments went on and on and on.
Gabby likes my shoes.
And then some days I wake up and have a full breakfast. I make myself an egg sandwich. I have peanuts as a snack. I have
the peanuts you're allergic to?
Yeah, I love them now. I switched over to cashews. I'm not going to lie. I switched over to cashews. I stopped at I stopped for Burger King breakfast the other day. I had Burger King breakfast. Then for lunch, what did I have for lunch? I think I had patty. Yeah, and then I came over here and then I had dinner, and then I went home and I had dinner again. Like,
well, I had a good day eating yesterday, and today I had a patty and a Danish with the red gel. They don't call it like a strawberry Danish or raspberry Danish, or like they say the red gel or the yellow gel. So, but I don't like the Danish part. I just like the red gel. If they could sell that like a little squeezy bag, you know, when you're in high school and you could buy like...
It doesn't taste the same. I asked one time if I squeezed a bag of it.
Really?
I called and I asked her, I was pregnant, and I said, I'm pregnant. I just squeezed a bag of it.
Of the red gel?
I got it. And it doesn't taste the same without the Danish.
Really? But I don't eat the Danish.
But
I just lick off the top of the Danish.
It's just the fact that it's on top of the Danish.
What's wrong with my tongue? It's not my tongue. I am wearing my retainer.
Follow fashion.
Whatever, Tracy.
So fashion.
Whatever. We went through this
everything
last week.
I have, she wants.
I don't have Invisalign. I didn't get the Invisalign.
Yeah, because you're cheap.
Okay, that's not a problem. I just know where to spend my money.
Not on your teeth care.
On my teeth care? On your teeth care. Oh no, Miss
Why
Alex.
she always calls?
I don't know. I think she's calling because the email was sent. So, Tracy, you wearing clip-ins?
No. Me and Beyonce are gonna do a Beyonce YouTube. This is my.
You have to separate it again with the tag from Kloset
Klutch.
Kloset Klutch right here if you want.
This is my.
Yeah, you have to shake it up a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. Take it easy. So you washed and dried. You didn't like do a little. Oh yeah, so you had the hair Botox.
I blow dried my fringe.
I will. Lord Belinda, man. You have our number?
No, do I?
I will link in the description down below the vitamins that Tracy has been taking to help grow her hair, so you guys can
I feel like this vitamin company should be giving me something at this point.
But you know what?
Time.
Also too, I find that things work differently for different persons, because Tracy took these vitamins and got these great results. I've been taking these vitamins and I don't know.
Joe, your hair is curly.
Okay.
So remember, your hair it doesn't take longer to grow, but it's going to look longer to grow because it shrinks up.
Afternoon pretty 40. Okay, well I will continue to still try them.
I think your hair it looks lovely.
I braided it up today. I made such a big mistake with my makeup, and I was like, oh, I don't know what to do with my hair. What happened to the Wi-Fi? Somebody keeps calling, so we were chipping in and out. What's he looking at?
You said you made a mistake with your makeup. I was looking for it.
I was putting on my concealer, and both right here and here started to patch, like really badly. So when he asked me to put on my glasses, I was like, great, no more patching.
Yes, more patching. Put them back on.
It glares in the thing. Every time I take my hair vitamins, my armpit hair grows. Same.
Oh, wow.
What vitamins? So we're going to link them in the description at the end of the show. We'll also have them linked over on our YouTube channel, and you can click. It is the vitamins that Tracy has been using to grow her hair, and I mean, it's worked for her.
Stevie says to me, Mommy, you're like Rapunzel.
It smells nice.
So I've been having a problem with constipation and Stevie, as all of you know. And so I've been telling her that if she eats her beans and her fruits and her vegetables, and her hair will grow. So yesterday, her nanny gave her the lentils that I said I had with dinner. Gave her the lentils and she tasted it. Said, "This is disgusting." Anyway, I got home, I dished out my plate beside her. She was eating beside me, and I ate all my lentils. And I had my hair up. So after I ate my lentils, I let my hair down. So she said, "Mommy, your hair is so long." So I said, "Oh, the lentils must have made it grow." Yo, the girl eats out the lentils, you know. Lentils done.
So hard.
And then Mickey walks around the corner, her nanny, "Stevie, look how your hair long."
Oh my gosh, you guys are horrible. What's he doing to my niece over there?
So we're heading home today because I took her home from school. And I'm like, "Her mommy, any lentils I can have for lunch?"
But it's so funny because she and Remy, because Remy will be in the shower and she'll be like, and I'm like, I want to tell her there's absolutely nothing to flash. And she'll be like, "Mom, can you get the towel for me, please?" And I want to be like, "It's dry."
Don't do that to Remy.
I can't. It's right, there you go. She'll be like, "Mom, do you have the conditioner?" And she'll be there, you know, and she's doing this flashing motion. I don't know where she get flashing motion from because I don't behave like that. So I must say her auntie. She's like, "Mom, can you get the towel and dry my hair and put a little conditioner?" "Yeah." Or like if she's in the pool, she'll go like this.
By the way, Remy hair buck since she born. Okay?
Stop that. And like I said to her the other day, I was like, you know, "Remy, maybe you can cut your hair," which like almost seems like a punishment to her. I don't know why, because I want it to grow in thicker. I would love to like give her back the same little hairstyle she had when she was a baby. The short back and side she was born with. Because I want her hair to come back in thicker.
That's a myth, but anyway, she's fine. Just leave her alone. Leave her alone. Poor Rem. No, Rem, let me tell you something. When you see Remy and so Stevie went to school today in a little outfit from Zuri.
Oh, the Zuri outfit.
The Zuri,
oh my gosh.
the red and blue.
Zuri.
The red and blue.
The Chanel looking one?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And I
love
put
that
Stevie in that with a high rise white sock with the same little black loafers.
Yes.
And her hair up in a bun.
Yeah.
I'm surprised Auntie Stephanie never sent me no pictures. Anyway, I sent Stevie to school looking like that today. Guess what age group the outfit is for? 24 months. But Stevie is so slim. She's so slim.
Well, Remy, so yesterday I said to Remy, I said, "Where you going in that batty rider here now? Batty rider? Batty rider? Batty." And I'm like, "You're not supposed to say batty is a bat." So what is a batty rider? Batty rider. Gracie and I were dying. I didn't even know what to say to her because no. And I'm like, Remy, can't you just please don't say batty rider. And she says, "What is a batty rider?" And I'm like, "It's a little shorts that you have on. Like, you know, I bought her cycling shorts. Like on the child on the ad, they're to her knees. I put them on Remy, and I don't know how her crotch isn't burning her.
No, man.
They're all rolled up in here, man.
Remy have a BBL body. She born with a little BBL body. That is your, she have your body.
Mommy, what is a batty rider? I was like, "Get in the car. Just get in the car. Shush. Get in the car before your father here. Get in the car."
She born with your body. Your thick thighs, your big bottom. She born with that.
And the hair.
Wow. And the hair.
Mommy, so long.
So funny.
Alright, that's it for today.
That's it?
You would have nothing to say. We're going to keep the people that were looking at us and we're not saying nothing. What do you want to say?
I'm sure everybody was enjoying the story. All 150
The story is finished. The story is finished.
The story is finished?
Music in your soul. The kids' biker shorts are very short even for babies. Because I'm just like, oh, I want to put her in something under her skirts, under her dresses, especially when she's leaving the house. And I find that they roll up and the biker shorts look just like a little pair of batty rider bloomers. Like
Stevie's birthday is coming up.
Drew, we are the last people to talk about that. We don't know what a beef is going on. Beef, chicken, salmon, filet mignon.
It's so funny.
What is it?
What?
You know the beef?
No, I was just saying it's so funny how I never know anything that's happening.
What's with all the diss tracks? What diss tracks?
I'm still listening to carnival music. I don't know.
I don't really listen to music in my car. My husband
My 2 toenails fell out.
Do you have gold polish on that too?
No. It's falling out.
Disgusting.
Stop. It wasn't disgusting when I was tripping down the road beside you in Trinidad.
No. But that's because I wasn't looking at you too. You had them covered.
Yeah.
Drake, Lots, Chris Brown versus Quavo. We don't know nothing about that. You know nothing about Chris Brown versus Quavo?
You know, after Chris Brown came to Jamaica and I was fangirling him so hard, and then a couple of people wrote me and was just like, why are you fangirling Chris Brown, and sent me all the reports about all the things that he did. I'm not going to lie, like I don't enjoy him like I did before. Still like his music, was still jam to him, but all of those reports on him just really churned my stomach. Like,
other than Rihanna?
No, there's other reports.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. It just kind of like...
Well, I just don't listen to music.
I only listen to one artist.
Sean Paul?
Yep.
Oh. I'm not listening to Sean and I'm talking to myself. You know? Oh.
What you say?
How old are you guys? Looking like some schoolgirls. Thank you. We'll leave it at the looking like some schoolgirls.
Thanks. About to do CXC.
I hope I never have to do an exam again in my life.
Dude, I had to do a test the other day and I was like, this is awful.
I didn't want to do a pap smear. Like, I don't want to ever have to do any more tests ever in my life.
Like, it was so awful.
It's too... I'm going to link the vitamins in the description. All you're going to have to do is click it. I'll link it over on the YouTube. They're called Viviscal. All is well? No. Okay.
It's just the beauty of this drink.
Yeah, these drinks today are really good.
I can't tell you how much I really respect.
I love Sean Paul and J-Lo new song better than her original one. I don't want to talk about
Say it again. Say it again, honey.
Whatever.
Say it
Hi guys
again.
from Toronto, looking beautiful as always. Tricky, let's see the toe. No.
Which one?
I love SB since
Both of them are
2002.
gone.
What happened to the toe? No, please don't make her show you. Please, we'll probably get flagged.
Kimber, she never saw it when we were in the salon together.
Jodi lost weight from a long time. I tried to put it back on now.
Liar!
Okay.
Stop being like that.
Sean did say my bottom losing weight.
It's still
From
huge.
Fort Lauderdale. Really? Okay, good. Show it. The bottom. Tricky, I need a haircut.
Oh! What
This
is that?
is not the
Pretty
outfit to show.
40?
I think they were talking about your toe.
Pretty 40, DM me. Tracy Stew, DM me. I'm going to look for you right now.
So, Kloset Klutch and my shoes. And I'll drop. No, man, this is cute, but imagine you go, Levi, come, darling, come. Hi. Hi. No, wait, hold on. Levi, darling. Hi. Come, mommy's ready. Come, the range is waiting. I left the AC on.
Pretty 40, I just messaged you. You can message me with regards to a haircut. No problem. So anyways,
Love the shoes. Thank you. Appreciate it.
let me just show off my outfit one more time because I am really loving it.
I think that you could go to... Oh, you know what you need? You need the hat. Hold on, let me show you.
I'm really digging this outfit. I haven't done anything to it to like style it. Literally, I just took it out of the bag and put it on. But I really feel like this is something that you could dress up or down.
So I had like a really slutty outfit packed for Mexico, and I added the hat and it toned it down. Whoa, your head is huge.
I don't like this hat.
You can't even get it on. Tracy, you can't get the hat on.
No, I got it on.
No, Tracy, it was sit at the top
I got
of your head
it
like a park ranger.
I hate it.
Hey kids, don't play with forest fires.
It's true.
What's in there? Not brains.
Brains. But like, not working brains. Brains are dead.
Oh gosh, I can't remember. Jodi, I know this is random, but which years did you work at RETV? I don't remember. Like, I honestly need to look at my resume. I started working at RETV the year that I left teaching. I was teaching at Rainbow Land Preschool. And then, wow, was it in the 2000s? I can't remember. I honestly can't remember. Maybe 2004? I don't remember. And I
You were
worked
alive in the 2000s?
Tracy.
Just saying, I was born in...
I can't watch you guys at work always laughing out loud.
So you were born in the 1900s?
Tracy, no, I was not 1990.
I was born in 2000.
That's what that means. No, you were not.
Jodi, I'm 23 years old this year. So obviously I was born in 2000.
You weren't.
No, I'm 23.
Tracy, you don't even look 23.
What?
I mean, you look great, but you were also born in the 1900s. We all born in the 1900s. Ugh, that sounds horrible.
Terrible. I feel like I need to put on a
Banjo
yeah
and have a cup of chamomile tea.
and corset. What's up with your chamomile tea? You've been feeling it, eh?
So this morning, Sean said very loudly, like I'm getting ready, all I hear is, I don't have any more chamomile tea. And I was like, that's the most random fucking thing I've heard. Like, it's not bedtime. It's not, like, it was just random. And he says he needs chamomile tea. But he was back here. So I'm like, I'm sorry, is there like a hot pot down there or something? Like, it was so weird.
And I can't. In the closet thinking about chamomile
that's
tea.
true. The closet has a little bit of everything. Same Tracy, I'm stuck at 25.
Mm-hmm.
Get over it. We all the F. Wanna kill me? Wow, whoa, hold on.
My mom and I disagree
on whether or not Jamaican curse words are actually curse words. I say no, they are not, because they make absolutely no sense. Like puss back foot,
Rascal.
I don't know, it just sounds so, like you can't exactly look at your child and go, where's the rascal homework? Actually, you can. I've done that. Oldie but goodie. I went to Hillel with Sean. He was so quiet. Sean is quiet,
He's very quiet.
Sean is quiet. I think he's out there right now sleeping.
He is.
Sleeping?
He wasn't sleeping.
I said, why don't you go into bed?
He wasn't sleeping. He was relaxing. Sean is a very quiet person. He could be in the house by himself and you would not know. Somebody said to me the other day, is Sean here or is he on tour? And I said, I don't know. And they were like, what do you mean? Don't you go to your sister's house every day? And I'm like, yeah, but Sean is so quiet that we could be in the house together. And sometimes when he comes up behind me, I'm like, and he's like, I live here. And I'm like, Sean, I got it back today.
So I went to the bathroom. I was like, good. And I was like, I live here, He's like, oh, good one. Good one. I was like, Sean, I've been dying. I've been waiting years. Because I frighten so easily. And all the time, Sean walks around the corner and he like starts a conversation. He frightens me. And he's like, why are you frightened of me? I live here, And I'm like, yeah, I know this, but I wasn't expecting you to like surprise me.
And he walks so quiet.
quiet.
Like I've never met. Like he could. The only reason why we would know that
he's sitting down right there right now. He's sitting right there and he's probably laughing.
He's quiet.
He's on a bus door. I'm like, hello? And frighten me. I live here, I couldn't wait this morning when I
can't wait to frighten him, but what do I say? I live here,
You could. Have you ever cursed at the kids? Oh, yes. That's when they listen. You drop a F-bomb, they're like, I think we should go go bathe and do what mommy says.
I think everybody needs to be realistic about being a mother, and there's no perfect mother. No matter what Instagram wants to portray, no matter what you want to think about somebody, every mother gets frustrated. Every mother gets frustrated.
Yeah. And I think it would be a little bit more relatable and a little bit more like, if maybe some of the Instagram moms showed that side,
It's hard. Like, mothering is hard. I mean, the other day, Stevie was out on the playground and she was just frustrating me. And I went like this to her. And then I realized what I was doing. And then I just wanted to shake her. And I went like this. And I was just like, and then I just walked off. And I was crying as I walked off. And, and then it was just, I just cried. Like, I just cried for like...
Sean told me. So I went outside to like get some food or whatever, and Sean was like, so Trish just came in here, had a little cry, and then left. I hugged her. So me, hear me now? Well, I'm not the one to deal with those things, so I'm glad he gave her a hug. And he's like, Jodi, really? I'm like, I can't deal with that, sorry.
But I mean, like, mothering is just frustrating.
And I'm not into gentle parenting either. I'm not into gentle parenting. I'd like to say I give 3 warnings and then a punishment. But, I mean, the warnings, man, I'm constantly talking and talking and talking and talking.
Well, Jodi doesn't beat her kids either. She doesn't slap them. So what do you do after? No,
I
Jodi,
do beat them.
Jodi, when?
I have spanked them.
When?
Tracy, I have.
Okay, yeah. Sure.
Yeah, but just because you don't spank doesn't mean that you gentle parent.
This is true.
So don't think that because I'm not spanking them, I'm gentle parenting.
Well, you know what? I asked the other day somebody because I spanked Stevie the other day. She's 3, but I was at.
I spanked her the other day too.
Stevie.
Yeah. A joke. She just started smile at me.
And she hit me back.
That's you forget. And then you can't exactly hit for hitting.
And that's when I said to somebody, I said to a girlfriend of mine, what did you do? And she said she banged something really loud. Like right beside their ear. Like if they're sitting down here, she'll bang the chair or she'll bang the counter. She's like, because it startles them a bit more. And I was like, okay, because sometimes you get frustrated. And I mean, we grew up with parents that beat us. We're Caribbean. It's a thing. Sorry,
I got paddle.
Jodi had everything. Like,
chancleta, paddle.
pick up something. Look at everything. Pick up something. Anything.
That was
And so that was the way that we learned how to do it. And you know, when that happened, that experience happened with me and Stevie, I was looking for other resources to use with her to help get that authoritarian vibe in. I don't know what I want to say. And you know, still looking for answers, still looking for options. I'm entering terrible 3s right now, and any advice you can give to help, because you know, I think 3s are a little worse than 2s.
Yeah, Stevie's 2s weren't bad. Her 3s are turning right up.
So, and that's getting frustrating for me. So, open for options, but that was one thing that somebody said to me, to do a loud noise instead of the beating. And I said okay, and I tried that and it worked.
Well, once they can understand, you can give them punishments like taking away the iPad or things that they like, you can take away. Or like, you know, Levi wasn't listening, and then at snack time I was like, no, there's no snacks right now, you're gonna wait until a meal. I was like, no, you know. So anyway, I found once they have a little more comprehension, because Stevie can't understand that what she did on Monday means no iPad on the weekend. You know, but we only get iPad on the weekends in this house, so.
Yeah.
No beat them, but I find that my eyes and voice do a very well job. I don't even shout at them.
Willie, are you African though? I want to ask.
No, she's Jamaican.
Oh, you are? Because
yeah,
a friend at school, she's an African mom, and when she gives the eye to her kids, I'm like, ooh. Because African people have, like, it's cultural for them. The eye thing is cultural, and they do it so good.
Levi will come right. Okay, whatever. I'm Jamaican. Yeah, man, I know Willie. I follow him. Beautiful pictures.
I mean, but my favorite accent has
Who got more beatings, Tricky or Joe? I think this is so obvious. I had a paddle, a chanclet. I think everybody who has ever related to me has gotten a chance to spank me. Like, I was that bad that you didn't know what. You just, like, it was just so immediate and impulsive to hit that child that was giving all of this trouble.
Teenagers are nuts.
The eyes work for my man, even in the classroom. Yes, the look, my daughter. Yes, the look. My daughter say, you giving me the crazy eyes? Teenagers are nuts. What about timeout?
Timeout works. Timeout works, but not for everything. Timeout works, but not for everything.
Not for everything, correct.
So,
and I find Remy it doesn't work for her. She starts getting like, Mommy, I'm sorry, I want to hug you, and I'm like, it's kind of weird that she's now playing the victim when she was a naughty one. You know, and she'll be there the whole time and just let me hug you, and then you start feeling bad, and I'm like, no, you just did something so crazy, little shit, like go in the corner. So I find that for Remy, timeout doesn't work. Levi will do the timeout, but not with Remy. It's kind of weird. Manipulation. Yeah. I just want to hug you. I'm like, first of all, I don't do hugs. Second of all, right now, no.
And I think at parenting, like going through all of that emotion, you just explained it a while ago. Like you're feeling sorry for her, but she did something wrong, but you're trying to teach her a lesson. Like these are highs and lows that we go through in the moment, and it's very hard as a parent to experience this and the exhaustion that comes from it, you know. And so parenting is hard. It's hard, and I'm gonna say it one more time. I say it all the time.
Toddlers are the master manipulators.
They are, but I say this all the time, and I say thank God for my village.
Turn off all their personal devices. Well, who's that? Lori Lex. So my kids only get their iPad. They wake up on a Saturday morning and their iPad is charged at the side of their bed, so they can have their iPad all of Saturday, all of Sunday. So it's kind of hard. Like it depends. I think Willie was saying it earlier. It depends on the crime that they do. Well, the thing that they do for them, how they're going to be punished. Because if they do something on a Monday, it's kind of hard for me to take away the iPad all the way on Saturday and Sunday. Do I take it away both days? Because also too, I may want to do something that the iPad will buy me, like, you know, a
5
few
minutes.
Yeah.
So you know what else though? I was in the supermarket and Stevie was acting up, and there was a lady standing there, and she turned and she looked at Stevie. And I said, see Stevie, look at the lady looking at you. You are being so naughty that you have caught her attention, and she thinks you're a naughty girl. And the lady looked at Stevie and she goes, are you a naughty girl?
Ooh.
And I was so thankful. When I tell you I'm thankful for my village, because I don't know this lady, I don't know who she is. But when other people help to parent in that moment to let the child know that this is wrong,
yeah.
You know, I think that, you know, when the village comes out, even, you know, the strangers, and they help you, I think it really impacts the child, because Stevie looks at her and was like, no, I'm not naughty, and she put the item down and like she started to behave. So, you know, just thankful for all the people, the strangers out there who get involved in a positive way, because
the consequences must follow right after the act. Also, never promise a discipline you never carry out. I agree. That is Sean. I'm going to spank you. I'm going to spank you.
That is you, so shut up. That is you. And I spoke to you about it already.
I give a little
I said
spank.
if you are going to spank them, then you
Tracy,
spank them.
it's
And
like you want to watch me spank them.
I mean, you're making it sound like I get off on it. I'm just saying that
I
if you're
spank
going
them.
to...
I can't believe you've
say
never
it.
seen me spank them.
Never.
Are you serious?
Never. Never. I hate children, they pick them bad.
My good, they're bad? Yeah, they kind of bad, eh? Oh God, they bad. They bad, eh? They bad. Oh God.
Remy just whiny.
They take off the... Yeah, Remy is just whiny. Remy just... Her whininess really annoys me. And then, so hear me now. My thing with Remy is always, stop the whining, soccer season is over. So, a couple months ago, I was like, stop the whining, soccer season is over. No, it's not. No, it's not, Mom. Stop, Mom. Mommy. No handbook. Jeez on peace. Jodi, I have to lock them up and spank them in secret. Apparently, I've been spanking them in secret. I think I spank my kids. Tracy says I don't spank them.
I love that drink. I'm not even halfway done and I'm feeling a vibe.
Oh, my foot is so itchy. That mean money? Oh, no, mean new shoes. Oh, I'm wearing them. Alright,
Thanks again to Kloset Klutch for providing our clothing.
I'm going to see what's in that bag there to see, because I'm going to now head on to continue packing for Mexico.
I just packed it back up. This is so cute. A little white romper.
Oh, this is easy breezy, and it can go with a hat. It can go with a hat. See, if I'm packing a hat, I need to go with multiple things.
Yes, you can't just pack the hat for one thing, because hats are hard to travel with, so it's a commitment.
Well, if you crush it, crush, because I've had it for so long.
Don't crush your hat.
No right or wrong way when parenting. Some kids need more discipline than others. It's whatever works based on the situation. I'm all about spanking, timeout, and punishment. Them get a sprinkling and everything. Spanking, timeout, punishment, no iPad, no more time on YouTube, a little bit of everything. What did I do? Oh, they were getting a put out the other day. When we were whining, I gave her a put out. I would send her outside, and I'm like, you kids are so silly. Like, you just asked me 2 minutes ago if you could go outside to play. But I'm sending you outside because I've had enough of you crying in here. And it's like the worst thing ever to get out, to go outside. But I call it a put out. I don't say go outside. Because I don't want them to realize, oh, outside?
I know.
So I'm like, it's a put out. You are getting put out. No more whining.
Stevie got a put out. Remember when Stevie got a put out?
I heard all about Stevie's put out. Stevie come complaining to me that you put her out.
And I saw you this morning here, Stevie. Auntie Jodi! I love what she says in it.
So she can spot out my car different from the other cars? Oh, and I find that I drive you know, once you live in Norbrook and you're an uptown mom, you get gifted this vehicle in the same exact color. It's so common.
Yeah, she doesn't know. She doesn't. She calls every vehicle she sees Auntie Jodi.
Well, she must be saying Auntie Jodi a lot, because that vehicle is like the
I'm changing my car soon.
I want another car too.
I know,
want
I keep saying
something
I'm
more.
changing my car soon. But I mean, I've only had my car for a couple of years, since 2020, but it's expensive. It's very expensive to run my car.
My gas in my car that I have now, the diesel, I fill up like once every 3 weeks. So I don't mind that, but my warranty is out.
I love my car, you know. I love my little car. I love my car.
I just wish I could ride a bike, but I have these two things that I have to carry around all the time. And they can't go on the bike with me. My words. Alright everybody, that is it. This is enough. Hi Nasha, what's up? That's enough. I've had enough. I now realize I need to go and get all of those little bottles of Appleton for our trip.
I can't believe it's been an hour. Oh.
It hasn't really been an hour because you came late and I need to go and finish packing, and we're just here sitting on chatting crap. The people have work to go to.
People don't want to be at work. Stay with me now.
Hola from Cuba. I lived in Cuba.
Hi!
Hola. I went to the Universidad de La Habana. Wow, that was such a mix. I went to the University of Havana, and I can't remember what I was doing over there, but they called me Rubio because at the time my hair was bleach blonde. Like I used to just take the basic white and pull it through my hair, and they did not like me in Cuba because I can't speak Spanish, and they thought I look like I'm Spanish. So they thought I was Cuban. And when I asked somebody, I was like, why do I always, like, I'd go to the market and they would throw beans at me. And I was like, what is going on? And they would be talking, Rubio. And I'm like, what? I don't understand you. I'm like, ay, Rubio, están you doing in Starbucks? I would ask somebody what was happening. They're like, they think that you're Cuban, but you got a visa and you went away. And now you're back and you're showing off that you've been to the States and now you don't speak Spanish. You're better than them. And I was like, oh,
that sucks.
Yeah, but it did help when I wanted to take a taxi. So my friend would put me in a taxi and be like, shut your mouth. And he would say to the taxi man, and say where I want to go. And I would sit there the whole time. So I'd basically be in a charter taxi. And I would just like this. And I would glasses. He's like, do not open your mouth. If they find out that you are a tourist in this taxi, you're going to be in trouble. So I was like, oh God, but I'd get some cheap taxi rides. Anyway, that's what I thought when I went to Cuba too, but I look Cuban and
Bonjour
Fijian.
from Canada, you must be from Montreal. Poutine galore. Poutine?
Is that the guy?
No, poutine is a food that they eat in
Oh.
Montreal.
Well,
Fries with cheese and gravy.
Poutine is a game that we play here.
Also, it smelled my
Smell my fart?
no.
What you just said?
Your kids play a game over here called
Guess my
Guess
fart.
My Fart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay.
And I should check Guess My Fart. I was like, huh? I was like, what is it? What?
You were supposed to guess the sound the fart's gonna make.
Yes.
Guess my fart. Yeah, it's okay. Alright everybody, that's it for today. We will see you next week Tuesday. Hopefully we'll have more to talk about on Tuesday.
I don't think anybody cares. I think this is a great show. Everybody loved it. We have almost 200 views and we have not one thing to talk
say
about.
Yeah.
Sometimes the release is nice of stupidity.
Yes, and we have lots of that to release.
Break free from the chains. Someday somebody's gonna make you wanna turn around and say goodbye. Tell them, baby, I'm gonna hold you and make you cry. Don't you know, things will change, things will go your way if you hold on. I knew you were gonna hit the note.
I got that, girl. Got that. Alright, everybody. That's it for today. We're gonna link the vitamin in the description, and you can watch this show in high definition over on YouTube. Alright, everybody. See you next week.
Bye. Thank you, Lady B.
Oh yes, this one was really good. Cheers.